Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kylie if you're new here, and it's nice to meet you. Today I am going to be doing the Instagram followers choose my makeup. So basically with this challenge, I asked all of my Instagram followers on my Instagram, of course, I asked my followers for each step of my makeup routine. So I asked for eyebrows, face, eyeshadow, eyeliner, and lips. I think that's all of them. So 5 things I asked my followers to pick for me. Yeah, I mean, I don't think there's anything more to explain other than I'm just gonna be doing whatever won on the polls on my story. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, check me out on my Instagram. It's Kylie MUE. And yeah, let's get started. So I'm putting in these clips just to get my hair out of my face. I got them actually from a mystery package from a account on Instagram called Pulp Girls, or The Pulp Girls. They have such amazing art on their Instagram. So I wanted to order from them to see what they would send me in a mystery package. And I got these cute little clips and I was like, oh, they're so cute. Okay, I am going to start off with brows, but before I get to that step, I'm actually gonna prime my face. I know face is a whole separate part of the challenge, but I wanted to get the primer on my face, let it sit while I'm doing my brows. So I'm gonna take the Milani Skin Quench Hydrating Primer. This is my first time going in with it. This is what it looks like. Comes out white. Okay, and I was gonna say let's not talk about my blemishes on my face, but no, let's talk about them. Blemishes are normal. I've been letting my skin go, unfortunately, because of the end of school. I've been focusing on finals and I have just been so tired at night that I forget to wash my face sometimes, so which is horrible, but you know, things happen. I really like this primer because I have like dry to combination skin and it's very hydrating like it says in the name, but it's not too hydrating to the point where it's like I feel like I have a film all over my face. Now that I'm done hydrating, now that I'm done priming, I'm gonna go in with the brows. So on my Instagram, I posted a poll for brows. It was Insta brows versus soap brows. I've never tried soap brows before in my life, and soap brows won. I obviously did my research, and of course it's all over like TikTok, Instagram, but I believe the soap that most people use is Pears, so I ordered me a bar of Pears soap to try this. Never used it before, but we're gonna try it first time here, right now. Oh, I wasn't expecting it to have a smell. Kind of smells like an old lady. Okay, so from what I read, you are supposed to use, I don't know why I don't have a individual spoolie right now. I can't find one. So I'm just gonna use the end of my NYX brow pencil. I don't know how to do this, and I'm pretty sure I watched a few videos on how to do it, but completely left my mind. So I wet the soap and I'm just gonna take the spoolie and rub it some and get some of the soap on there and then brush through the brows, but do an upward motion. Kind of reminds me of when oh my god. Okay. I don't know if you're supposed to do multiple layers, like with glue you're supposed to layer it. I wonder why soap makes your eyebrows stick. I don't know. I didn't do that much research into this, which I guess I should have, but okay, so this is how both of them look without the product added in. Kind of just look like how my brows look without any product on them anyways, just brushed. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Espresso and draw some little fluffy hairs in them. I'm like scared to draw in them because I don't want them to move, but I don't know. Okay, it looks messy right now, but I'm gonna clean it up with concealer when we get to the face makeup. Okay, this is them with brow product in them. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 19. I'm gonna clean up the brows with this concealer. Okay, I think I'm gonna stick with just concealing the bottoms of my brows for now. Okay, so for eyeshadows, I posted a poll that said natural and nudes versus bold and fun. And bold and fun won. Okay, so for bold and fun eyeshadow colors, I was thinking things other than neutrals, browns, anything on that spectrum, the opposite of those. Okay, so my idea is to go in with the Sugar Pill Capsule Collection, and I'm going to take the color right here, which is called Gloomy. I'm gonna take that shade and just put it all over my eyelid. Now that I put that gloomy shade all over my lid, I am going to go in with Coven, which is the purple shade next to it, and put that on the lid as well, but don't fan it out as much. Okay, now that we put both purples on our lid, I am going to take the giant pink shade right here called Superstitious, and I'm going to fan out the purple shade with this. Okay, now I'm gonna go under the eyes with that Coven shade, which is the darker purple. Okay, that is for the eyeshadow. So now we are going to move on to the face. Okay, so for the face, I posted Dewy Natural versus full coverage, and Dewy Natural won. And I don't know how many of you know this from my other videos, or if you're new here, again, hi. I usually use medium to full coverage foundation with CC or BB cream on occasions. I'm not really used to dewy foundation, but we're gonna try today. New things today. Like the primer that we used earlier today, I am going in with the Milani Glow Hydrating Skin Tint in the shade 210. Now I'm gonna take a damp beauty blender and just put the skin tint on, and that's what it looks like. Ooh, it smells like coconuts. Is that supposed to be a thing? It doesn't say, but it smells like coconuts or sunscreen, but like in a good way. All right, now that it looks like we just fried something up on my face, we're gonna try to put concealer on. And I guess we can just stick with the trend here. I'll go in with the Milani Conceal and Perfect Long Wear Concealer in the shade 135 Medium Beige. Okay, I initially went in with a brush, but I realized that that could mess up my dewy finish in a way because I just applied the foundation with a sponge, so I'm just going to go in with a sponge instead. Now that we went in with concealer and foundation, I am going to lightly set this foundation and concealer and hopefully not get rid of too much of the dewiness. Do you ever like set your concealer and you're using loose setting powder and you breathe in more than you think you're putting on your face? Because I just did that. Okay, now I set in the places that usually crease the most and try to leave the rest of it still dewy and natural. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't even tell you what powder I used. I went in with the Makeup Revolution London Luxury Baking Powder, banana powder. And I just remembered something, which is probably gonna throw this all off, but what can you do? I forgot to get a cream-based contour or bronzer, which with dewy foundation, you're supposed to match the consistency with the foundation, which is usually creamy or moisturizing. And I forgot to do that. Because I don't have any. I am going to bronze with my regular products and hope for the best. Try to restore the dewiness with the setting spray at the end. I'm gonna go in with the Tarte bronzer, which is in the shade Park Ave Princess, and it has like little gold shimmers in it, so I'm hoping that would help with the process of keeping the appearance of it being dewy. Also, I realize I'm using a contour sculpting brush for this, but I was hoping to get some like dual action of bronzer and contour, but you know what? Just let me live. So on my Instagram, I posted for liner to do cat eyeliner slash winged eyeliner or graphic eyeliner. And this one by far was the one that kept getting tied. So I had to keep reposting the poll, hoping that somebody would either change their mind or somebody random would come in and like not have it even. But at one point I caught it, and it was at graphic liner was what won. So today we're going to be doing a form of graphic liner with this bold eyeshadow. Before I do graphic eyeliner, I forgot I did bronzer and everything. I forgot to do blush. Okay, so for blush, I'm gonna go in with the Kaja Cheeky Stamp in the shade Sassy. And it looks like this when you open it, and you twist off the top to get the stamp. Stamp and stamp it on. We'll go for like center. Okay, and I'm just gonna use that as a stamp, and then I'm gonna blend this blush out. And then I'm gonna go in with another stamp. I kind of went for like an oval pattern, kind of where I usually naturally get red. I wanted to do it in the sense that would look natural because we're going for a dewy look. Okay, now I've tried this once or twice in the past before, and I'm kind of nervous. It kind of works out, sometimes it doesn't. I'm still getting used to like how to do these graphic eyeliner looks with my eye shape. If it doesn't turn out that great, at least I tried. There's a lot of improv here, okay? I'm gonna go back in with the purple eyeshadow again, clean it up, and I'll be right back. So I didn't want to do white eyeliner, especially for graphic eyeliner, because I've done it multiple times in the past, and I kind of wanted to do something a little fun and different. But, you know, I thought it looks cute, and it's what happened. Was it what I thought it was going to turn out to be? No. Does it look okay? Debatable. Did I have fun doing it? Also debatable. But does it look okay with the makeup look? I think so. Okay, so now that we finished that, we can move on to our last and final step. I posted whether I should do natural and nude lips or bold and fun colored lips. And bold and fun colored won again. This one I can say I'm a little surprised by, because I could have sworn that since a lot of people voted for bold and fun eyeshadow that you guys would strive for a more nude lip, but I'm 100% always down for a bold lip. I'm kind of thinking, since I have the purple pink going on and I have some orange and yellow in my shirt, I'm thinking maybe I can do an orange lip of some sort. Okay, so for my orange lips, I'm gonna go in with Jeffree Star's Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Pumpkin Pie. Okay, so I know it's a more darker orange, so I think I'm just gonna pat a little bit of a brighter orange on the center of my lips just to make it pop a little more. Okay, so that is the last step from the Instagram polls, and I'm just gonna put on some highlighter and eyelashes and setting spray, and then it'll be all done. But I'm gonna go in with the Treashy Cosmetics lashes in the style Princess. And if you like the lashes, you can always check out their website and use my discount code KylieMUE for 20% off your order, whether it be for lashes or for little tools, or I believe they have lipsticks now. So yeah, check them out and use KylieMUE discount code at checkout. Scratch that, I changed my mind. I'm gonna use the style Famous, but still Treashy Cosmetics. Okay, now that I put the lashes on and the look is completed, I'm just going to spray my face with some hydrating setting spray, which I'm going to use the Flower Seal the Deal Hydrating Setting Spray. Okay, so here is the completed look from the Instagram followers Choose My Makeup, and I hope that you guys like it and that it turned out in the way that you were hoping. From this look, I would say my favorite part was probably the eyebrows. I was not expecting them to turn out as well as they did. Okay guys, sorry, I'm in a different position. My phone died in the middle of filming and I had to relocate everything. So I just wanted to come back and say thank you guys so much for voting on the polls on my Instagram. And if you would like to join next time to choose my makeup, if we decide to do this again, give me a follow on Instagram at KylieMUE. And Don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe button if you enjoyed watching today's video. I would really appreciate it. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Thanks so much again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, so that's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'm in the corner. I don't know why I decided to lay in the corner of my room, but anyways, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Adios. See ya. Bye.